Hello everyone. Let's take a look at what's happening on Thursday as far as Schoology is concerned. Once you're in Schoology, make sure you're in that May 4 to May 8 folder, and then I've already got expanded the Thursday, May 7 folder. The first thing you're going to be working on is your math assignment. Then you're going to get into a scavenger hunt about Pennsylvania using Pebble Go Next. So there are a series of questions that I'm going to have you respond to based on an article. And this is going to be the precursor or kind of the introduction to your individual Pennsylvania project. This is going to give everyone the same general information, and then you're going to go and get to do your own research about your own particular place or places. So that's number 2. Number 3 is art. So take a look at that link and see what's going on this week for art. The 4th thing is, if you haven't done it already, you're gonna click number 4 to watch the videos from me and Miss Rojas introducing you to your individual Pennsylvania research project. There's a link in that page where you get to choose the topic that you want to focus on. So if you're someone who hasn't done that yet, click number 4 to take care of that. If you're someone that I sent a message to already and let you know that you received your topic and I gave you the next steps, you can skip over number 4. Once you've completed number 4, you're going to move into the rest of what's on that page for Thursday. If you see your name on a link, please read it and do what it says in the link, okay? After that, make sure that you check Senko's feed, so click that link. Make sure that you also practice your typing skills with the link underneath it. After you've done everything that you needed to do, so not just this folder, but ELL, Mrs. Diggins assignments, band assignments, orchestra, and MTSS, then you can do the I'm finished, now what can I do assignments. Those are optional. The last thing I want you to be aware of, again, is the groups. So when you go to groups, it's at the top of the page. Make sure you're checking out what's going on with Miss Checo, Mrs. Hensel, and the nurses, because they do have things to share with you. And that's your opportunity to interact with them as well. All right? If you have questions about anything, come to the chat, send me a message. I will talk to you later.